Good morning from Master Trust and welcome to Wednesday's trading session at Dalal Street dated the 11th of September 2024. US Dow Jones decreased 0.23%, settling the day at 17,025.88, while Nasdaq ended the session at 16,884.60, increased 0.84%. In the Asian market, Nikkei is trading at 36,019.98 and Hang Seng is trading at 16,975. GIFT Nifty is currently trading at 25,083, indicating a start in the red for the Indian market. FII bought 2,208.23 crore in the cash market, while DII sold 275.37 crore in the last trading session. India has improved its fiscal credibility, says Fitch. India's EV market is expected to grow to 1 crore units annual sales by 2030 and create 5 crore jobs. Now talking about global aspects, Asian stocks wobbled on Wednesday as investors gear up for US inflation data. Brent oil tumbles below $70 as oversupply fears deepen rout. WTI fell 4.31% to $65.75 a barrel and Brent fell 3.69% to $69.19 a barrel. The dollar index is trading at 101.59. The US 10-year Treasury yield is at 0.03%, up. Here is a recap of Tuesday's trading session. Indian benchmark indices continued to advance, driven by a global market rally and inflows from domestic fund houses. The banking sector, a consistent underperformer in recent times, showed resilience and registered gains. Furthermore, the pharma and FMCG sectors exhibited signs of gradual recovery, bolstering positive sentiment in the Indian market. The Sensex surged nearly 360 points, closing at 81,921.29. While the Nifty successfully closed above the key level, ending at 25,041.10. Outlook for the day. Nifty's close above the 25,000 mark reflects bullish market sentiment. The recent dip provided a buying opportunity, with the next resistance at 25,200. A break above this level could push the index towards 25,400. On the downside, strong support is seen at 24,800, and a breach below could lead to a decline towards 24,600. The trend remains positive, making a buy on dips strategy ideal for traders. Nifty Bank has shown continued strength and will likely extend its rally. Resistance is at 51,500, with a potential move towards 51,800. On the downside, support is at 51,000, and a breach below this could lead to a drop towards 50,700. The overall sentiment remains positive, supporting a buy on dips strategy. Stocks on the radar are bullish view, LTIM, Coal India, Havells, Hidden Petro, Maphesis. Bearish view, Hindalco, HDFC Life, JK Cement, REC, Power Finance Corp. Our chart of the day is bullish on Tata Power. Trade of the day Tata Power, buy at 445. Stop loss 437. Target 475. Aggressive targets at 461. Rationale, bullish momentum. That is all we have for now. For any queries, do visit our website www.mastertrust.co.in. Thank you and have a profitable day. Please note that stocks mentioned in the podcast are only for educational purpose. Our company or any of its employees shall not be held responsible for any investment or trading action undertaken by any person based on stocks mentioned in this podcast.